It's on.
Take two.
Okay, it appears to be clearing that one. See way down in there? See down inside there? There's no light on. See, that's why it's dark.
Light.
White button.
Come on, let me up there. You're too small. First thing, you're way too blown up. You can't see a damn thing.
Said zoom in. Look at that.
And when you zoom in too much, you can't see nothing. Okay, so right now we are clearing right there like we're supposed to clear. So it appears that that side is got some clearance. Now I can't tell how much clearance is in there. I can't see it with a gear. See through there. Can't even see the lobe in there. Alright, there you go. Maybe something I can see with. It appears that it's close. You know what close means? It means it's not hitting. That's what that means.
You got clearance.
It's got clearance.
We'll take our clearance checking tool here. It didn't hit it. So I don't know if I was in there either, but it appears we have at least this much. That's tons. Okay, so now we go the other direction. Oh, somebody screwed up on that side though. Oh gee. Oh, they left that little tit right there.
I can see the mark.
Bill, you didn't get the right spot. Why didn't you grind the whole tit off, Bill? Look at that. Look at that titty right there.
The grinder would have ground the...
Look at that titty. It's
There's
sitting
one on each side.
right there. Yeah.
I see two.
Yeah, but it's only hitting on that one right there.
Hmm.
Okay, so our first attempt at grinding was pretty good, except I didn't go far enough. All right, we're going to try this again. Here, you're in charge of this. All right, we almost got it, Bill.
Okay. I'm going to watch the video tomorrow.
You're going to watch the video instead of helping out? All right, see you later. Okay, so now we need to get this gear off, like that. Okay, we got to pull this back off. And we got to grind that area right there away further.
Show me again.
Here, right there. Can you get closer? Can you see now? How about that?
see.
Does that make it better?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we get to go grind some more. Further. So we're going to knock that sharpness off right there. Like that. Alright, good to go. Clean up, we'll be back. Goes over here, where our mark is at. Only problem is my mark disappeared.
What's the light on this thing?
I don't know. Okay, what happened to my mark? My mark got disappeared. Let's see, which one uses a mark? Yeah, it's one of two. It's either that one or the other one. We'll go with that one. Okay. Boom.
Is it possible to gear these things up to be like a highway bike also?
Damn it. Gotta get just right, see? Okay. Cool, that is close. That is tight.
She's making it around though.
See how that's how tight it is? That's tight when you're that close. So I need to walk it around a little bit further. I thought I had enough. There you go, thinking again.
Engine doesn't think, it just rotates.
So this time we're going to grind a little bit more across that area there. So it clears, but I don't have 15 thou. It's got like 5,000. Not enough. All right, I'll be back. Got all the burrs off that thing. It's actually burrs are a problem. Burr free. And the original burrs are sticking up. And there's still a bit right there. That goes off. No more factory burrs. Alright, maybe we'll fit this time. Get a spine on me?
Yep.
Where's my pencil at? Do you still have my pencil? There we go. Pencil.
What are you doing there?
Make a template of what I did.
For future reference?
So when I do the other job, I'll know how much to cut. So, pencil's done. So that'll get me close to what I need. So we don't know what that's going to be for, but it's for
Something.
well, that's for a 45 by the cutout template. That'll tell you what it's for. All right. We have to figure out where the mark is for what. See, instead of doing ours up like this, I did on the bottom over here. See, so that's how much we cut away. See how much is missing?
Mm-hmm.
And voila. it's easier on us. Leave that part off.
Why? To be easier?
I'm going to put the oil pump in, it'll be easier to have that out when I do the oil pump. So I got to retime the pump with the breather.
You just did that.
I did.
They took it all out.
The breather's over here now.
Yep. So that's the breather, and then the pump goes on the side, right?
Well, that's a pump too.
It has two pumps?
Yep.
Why does it have two pumps?
Because it's got two things to do.
So
Feed and return. You ever heard of that?
so one pump doesn't do both?
Nope.
The bottom one, I'm guessing, is the return, isn't it?
Yep. Okay, so there is all our contact points are in. Clear. And the loop comes around and boom! It doesn't hit.
Which I look at that.
We don't know if it clears yet though. It appears it's clearing now because the scale's in there. It has clearance now.
Oh, that's good.
So now the motor can be put back together again. Somebody did it correctly this time. It's hard to believe. Alright, so all of this has to be all redone. Alright, so junk out of the way. Oh, the shim stayed on there that time. Okay, this time we want this out of here. There we go. Alright. Let me get all this cleaned up, we'll be back. Filming yet?
I'm filming.
Oh,
Light's even on.
I don't see no light.
Really?
If the light was on, you'd be able to see better. Now the light's on. So we're going to take the gasket off of here so I can re-goop the gasket because it was some places up, some wasn't. Being an old gasket, it didn't tear when we ripped it apart. As long as they don't tear it right now, we'll be fine.
Sat there for so many decades to get tore up.
There we go. Oof. That part we're going to reuse. Try to wipe down all the gasket surface over there. Over there. See all the gasket surface over here? So you just basically just rub it off like this, and the gasket sealer all comes back off, and you just apply a new layer and you're good to go. If you don't get it all off, it's no big deal because it'll re-solidify when the new sealer gets on top of it. It softens it up usually. So just rub all this off and start over. See if we can't screw it up again. So the next thing that's going to be the problem is the oil pump hitting the gear. I think I'll check that before I put it together for real. Maybe one more thing that hit us in the bite us hard, make me have to take it all apart again.
Do you have a record for how many times you've had to take it apart?
I don't keep track. Doesn't matter. You just keep doing it until it works. So if you want to make money working on a Harley, you don't work on old crap.
If you want to ride, don't have an old one.
I don't know about that.
Ride it like 5 times a year.
Yeah. That's how you ride it. I ride my bike 6 times a year at best. 6 races. That's all that matters. Alright, we'll be back. Keep cleaning here.